So in my previous video, we talked about how to convert from the standard form to the vertex form, and today I want to show you how to convert from vertex form back to the standard form, which is pretty simple, but I still wanted to show you one example, and then after that we are going to look more into the vertex form and the different things that are associated with the vertex form of a quadratic equation. Okay, so to convert this particular vertex form into the standard form, what we simply need to know is that the standard form looks something like this. So let us just recall the standard form looks ax squared plus bx plus c. That is the standard form, right? Now we already know that this is in the vertex form because this is in what form? The vertex form, the general formula for the vertex form looks like this: a x minus h whole square plus k, right? Standard form, and this is the vertex form. So to convert this into the standard form, what we need to simply do is, first we need to simplify this parentheses piece, and then we have to multiply by -3 and got to simplify or combine like terms. So let us go ahead and do that. So we have f of x equals to -3, and we are going to try to simplify this piece, right? We are still trying to follow the order of operations, which says first simplify the exponents and then whether it's multiplying, dividing, and then subtracting or adding. Okay, so this x plus 2 whole square, we are going to write it like this: x plus 2 times x plus 2, because that is exactly what this means. Squaring something means you are multiplying that quantity by itself. For example, 2 squared is 2 times 2. Similarly, x plus 2 whole square would be x plus 2 multiplied by itself, right? And then there is a -4 at the end. We are not going to do anything with the -4 right now. So what we'll try to do is I'll also create another parentheses here. So moving on, we have -3, and then here we are going to try to simplify the product of these two terms, which we can do by distributing or using the FOIL method, like this. So x times x is x squared, then I have x times 2, which is 2x, then 2 times x, again 2x, and then 2 times 2 is 4. That is the simplified form when we multiply those two. Well, from here, guys, it's more about combining like terms and simplifying. I have -3, and then here I have x squared. I combine like terms, 2x plus 2x gives me 4x plus 4. And then there is still a, sorry, I want to keep those curly brackets here. And then there is a -4. Now I'm going to getter up those curly brackets. How am I going to getter up them? By just distributing this -3, and then we'll combine like terms if there are any like terms. So it's going to look like this. When I distribute this -3, it's going to be -3x squared minus 12x. -3 times x is -3x squared, -3 times positive 4x is -12x, and then -3 times positive 4 is -12, and then I have a -4. I think there's only one more step that we can do here. This is -3x squared minus 12x, and we can combine these two, so they will add up to -16. So guys, this here is going to be my standard form. And how do we know this is the standard form? Because we already know how the standard form, how the general standard form looks like. It's ax squared plus bx plus c. And if you look at this quadratic function right here, you can identify a, b, and c, and it is expressed as ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so this is my standard form. Starting from vertex form, we go to where we convert it to standard form. In the previous video, we learned how to go from standard form to vertex form. Okay, so I will stop here for this video, and in the next video we want to talk about this vertex form and how to identify all the important pieces associated with the vertex form. Okay, thank you.